A video teaches you how to distinguish between ordinary single crochet and cross single crochet. From the front, the shape of the ordinary single crochet is similar to the letter V. From the front, the cross single crochet is shaped like the letter X. Now I show you the method of crocheting ordinary single crochet. An ordinary single crochet done. Now I show you the method of crocheting cross single crochet. A cross single crochet done. Teach you step by step how to tie the yarn firmly when yarn is not enough when crocheting. Is this the way you connect to yarn balls? But it's not strong at all, and it breaks when you pull it. Next, I will teach you how to connect the yarns firmly. In this way, the connecting yarns will be pulled tighter and will never break. If there isn't enough yarn when crocheting, connecting yarns in this way will be very firmly.